Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to change the language in the YouTube app on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for the YouTube app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because older versions may not have all the settings. Once your app is updated, open YouTube and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, go to Settings, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on Languages. Here, you can select your preferred language from the list. Once you've chosen your language, simply close the app and the changes will take effect immediately. And that's it! It's that simple. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy YouTube tips and tricks. See you in the next video.